Okay, what is this place? Whoa! A castle! This place looks like fun. Yeah. What is a theme park?
A theme park is where you just have fun and there's lots and lots of rides to go on.
So what rides have you been on today?
I have been on the jumping star where people have to sit down and then the person pushes the go button and then you go up really high and up and down, up and down, up and down.
Oh, that sounds like fun.
It is. And it gives you a tickly feeling.
A tickly feeling in your tummy.
Yeah.
So what rides have you been on today?
I've been on the bike one.
Oh, the bike one. Is that where you go flying up in the sky?
Yes.
Oh, look at them go. So what else did you do today?
I went on these cool cars.
You drive cars?
Yeah.
But you're too little.
It's not completely, you don't get a license for it.
Okay. So you're not out on the motorway?
No.
Oh, right. The green light. I want it. What other rides have you been on?
I have been on the log flume.
What's the log flume?
So they're like these logs that you hop on and then you, there's water and you go through up and down and you go up this big hill and then it's time to go down and you get a little wet sometimes.
Oh, there's a big splash.
Yeah.
Oh, so what are your favorite rides?
My favorite one is the Fearful.
The Fearful? But they look scary.
Actually, it's a little scary for younger kids because it's really high and then it goes really down fast.
Whoa. Why do people go on scary rides?
Some people like to be scared.
Or is it sometimes fun?
Yeah.
It gets you excited.
Yeah, and it gets you go, whoa.
Whoa, Mo needs to get on one of these rides.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, Mo's a little bit nervous, but let's go. Whoa! Oh, here we go! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, coming round again. Whoa!